In countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines, motorbikes are everywhere, and helmet hygiene is a real issue. People sweat under their helmets, they rarely clean them, and bacteria can build up fast. This is a daily pain point that nobody likes to talk about, but everyone experiences. So many investors see this and think, okay, I will import a few automatic helmet washing machines, place them in a shop, and I will get rich. But here is the mistake. They forget to build a service around the machine. Customers don't just want a machine, they want convenient, just, and a quick, affordable solution. So if your helmet cleaning station is hard to find, poorly located, no explained clearly, or without any visual stop or signage, people will walk past this, even with the best machine in the world. Here is what the smart investors do instead. They look for high football locations, motorbike with parking lots, fuel station, university campus, apartment block, inside car, bike wash service, near local market or convenience store. They don't just install the machine, they build a small brand corner, maybe offer helmet cleaning as a combo with bike wash, train someone to assist or explain it for the first few weeks, and collect customer feedback. They also use simple signage with 3 key things: what is there, how long it takes, and how much it costs. That's it. No need to overcomplicate it. Another mistake, choosing the wrong machine for your local voltage or usage level. You must always check, do you have 220 volts or 380 volts? And how many helmets do you expect per day? And do you need a built-in water tank or a fixed plumbing system? This machine should match your needs, not the other ways around. So if you are planning to invest in an automatic car wash or helmet washer, especially in countries with millions of daily motorbike riders, here is the key takeaway. Don't just think like a buyer, think like a local customer. Build a service that people want to come back to, not just a machine that looks cool. Automation doesn't replace business thinking, it's enhanced if you correctly want to have choosing the right machine for your city or country. Don't be hesitant to contact us for more support. Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and check the machine before ordering. If this video gave you a spark of inspiration or a fresh idea for your business journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Got question or want to connect? Drop a comment below. We reply to everyone. Thank you for watching. See you next time.